So the next report we're going to go over in the system is also found under the Advertising tab and under the Advertising Analysis tab. And at the bottom of this drop-down, you'll find something that says Product Group Analysis. Product Group Analysis is a good way to take a group of products and report off of them all at the same time. For instance, if you wanted to find a group of digital and print products and see all of the data for them in one report, this would be a very useful tool. In order to use this report, you do have to have a group created in the system. At the top of the screen, you'll see there are some filters. To select is which group of products you want to use. For our example, we've actually used the Packer group, and we've determined when we wanted to start looking at those issues. In my example, we've used January of 2013. We have also selected that I only want to see the confirmed orders or the issues that or the orders that are actually running in that group. I'm going to select my refresh button. And the data that I've now pulled up is a visual representation of each one of those publications, digital or print, grouped by period and totaled at the bottom. Because this is a digital and print report, it is not actually running by date range. It is running based on period. So you can see each one of these things is based on the revenue for that particular period. Much like other reports you've seen with these graphs involved, there's a small button in the corner that we can select and export this picture if we find that it would be useful to have this on our local machine or to put it into an outside report. At the bottom of our screen, we actually see the line items for each publication or digital publication and the breakdown of the revenue over a period of time. Again, this period of time is determined by the start issue or start period, which we have selected at the top of the screen. If we find this useful, we can export this data using our icons in the top left-hand corner. We can export this into Excel. We can export it as a PDF or into a Word table. Most commonly, we do recommend exporting into Excel, as then you can manipulate the data. If you export it into a PDF, it is a flat report, and you won't be able to manipulate or sort the data. So the product group analysis report can be very useful if you have groups of reports created in the system, or if you're a person who's only looking at a specific group of products. If there's not a group in the system and you'd like there to be one, contact your system administrator, and they'll see if they can create a product group for you.